Welcome to English Learning Podcast. I'm your host, and today we'll explore the fascinating life of Thomas Edison, one of history's greatest inventors and businessmen. This episode is designed to help you improve your English while learning about an extraordinary figure who changed the world. We'll cover Edison's life story, his most important inventions, and practice key English phrases together. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin our journey into the mind of the man who gave us electric light. Thomas Alva Edison was born on February 11, 1847 in Milan, Ohio. He was not just an inventor, but also a brilliant businessman who understood how to turn ideas into profitable products. From a young age, Edison faced significant challenges. He had hearing problems that made traditional schooling difficult. His teacher even called him addled, which means confused or mixed up. But Edison's mother believed in him. She took him out of school after only 3 months and taught him at home. This early experience taught Edison that learning happens everywhere, not just in classrooms. His curiosity was enormous, and he asked questions about everything he saw. Edison's hearing loss became more severe as he grew older, but he never let this disability stop him. In fact, he often said his deafness helped him concentrate better because he couldn't be distracted by noise. At age 12, he started working on trains, selling newspapers and candy. He even set up a small laboratory in a train car to conduct experiments during his travels. This shows us that Edison was always thinking, always experimenting. He turned every situation into an opportunity to learn and create. His determination and positive attitude toward his disability became one of his greatest strengths. Remember, limitations can become advantages if we approach them with the right mindset.
During his youth, Edison developed skills that would serve him throughout his life. At age 15, he learned telegraphy, which was the internet of the 19th century. Telegraph operators were like today's computer programmers. They needed technical knowledge and fast thinking. Edison became one of the best telegraph operators in the country. He worked night shifts, which gave him time during the day to experiment with improving telegraph equipment. His first patent, received in 1868, was for an electronic vote recorder for the U.S. Congress. However, politicians didn't want it because it would make voting too fast and prevent deal-making. This taught Edison an important lesson. Inventions must solve real problems that people actually want solved, not just problems that seem logical to solve.
Now let's explore Edison's 3 most famous inventions. First, the phonograph, invented in 1877. This was the first machine that could both record and play back sound. Imagine the amazement when people first heard their own voices played back to them. Edison called it his favorite invention. Second, the incandescent light bulb. While Edison didn't invent the first electric light, he created the first practical one that could burn for many hours. He tested over 3,000 different materials for the filament before finding one that worked perfectly. Third, the motion picture camera, which led to the creation of movies as we know them today. Edison's team developed both the camera to record moving pictures and the kinetoscope to view them. These 3 inventions transformed human communication, lighting, and entertainment forever.
Beyond his 3 most famous inventions, Edison created many other devices that changed our world. He invented the carbon microphone, which made telephone conversations much clearer and was used in phones for nearly 100 years. His electrical power distribution system brought electricity safely into homes and businesses for the first time. Edison also created the first electric power plant in Manhattan in 1882, which lit up parts of New York City. He developed improved batteries, concrete manufacturing processes, and even experimented with magnetic ore separation. His mining ventures, though ultimately unsuccessful, led to innovations in heavy machinery and materials processing. Edison also worked on early radio technology and contributed to the development of the stock ticker, which revolutionized financial markets. Each invention built upon previous work, showing how innovation is often a process of continuous improvement rather than sudden breakthrough.
One of the most fascinating chapters in Edison's life was his rivalry with George Westinghouse and Nikola Tesla in what historians call the War of the Currents. Edison supported direct current electricity, or DC, while Westinghouse and Tesla promoted alternating current, or AC. This wasn't just a technical disagreement, it was a battle for the future of electrical power. Edison had built his business around DC power, but AC had significant advantages for long-distance transmission. The competition became intense, with public demonstrations and propaganda campaigns. Edison even tried to convince people that AC was dangerous by using it in the first electric chair. However, AC eventually won because it was more practical for widespread electrical distribution. This defeat taught Edison that even brilliant inventors must be willing to adapt when better solutions emerge. The War of the Currents shows us that progress often comes through competition and that being first doesn't always mean being best.
Edison wasn't just an inventor, he was a master businessman. He established the world's first industrial research laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, in 1876. This laboratory was like a factory for inventions, with teams of skilled workers helping Edison develop new products. He understood that innovation needed organization and resources. Edison also founded many companies, including Edison Electric Light Company, which eventually became General Electric, one of the largest corporations in the world today. He held over 1,000 patents, which are legal protections for inventions. Edison knew that to succeed, you must not only create something new, but also protect it legally and market it effectively. His business sense was as sharp as his scientific mind. Edison's daily work routine was legendary for its intensity and focus. He typically worked 18 to 20 hours per day, taking short naps when exhausted. He believed that sleep was largely a waste of time and often said that most people sleep too much. His laboratory was organized like a modern research facility, with different teams working on various projects simultaneously. Edison used a systematic approach to experimentation, keeping detailed notebooks of every test and result. He encouraged his workers to try unusual approaches and never criticized them for failures. His famous mucilage desk, covered with sticky substance, held important papers and reminders right where he could see them. Edison also had a unique hiring practice. He would give potential employees a bowl of soup and watch how they seasoned it. If they added salt and pepper before tasting it, he wouldn't hire them, believing this showed they made assumptions without gathering information first. This attention to detail and systematic thinking contributed greatly to his success. Despite his many successes, Edison experienced significant failures that taught him valuable lessons. His iron ore separation business lost enormous amounts of money and nearly bankrupted him. His concrete house project, meant to provide affordable housing, failed because consumers thought concrete homes looked like prisons. Edison also invested heavily in electric cars in the early 1900s, but gasoline vehicles became dominant instead. His attempt to create synthetic rubber was unsuccessful, and his experiments with X-rays damaged his eyesight. However, Edison viewed these failures differently than most people. He saw each failure as valuable education that moved him closer to success. When his laboratory burned down in 1914, destroying millions of dollars of equipment and research, Edison told his son to call the family to watch the fire because they would never see anything like it again. The next morning, he was already making plans to rebuild. This resilience in the face of setbacks was perhaps his greatest strength and most important lesson for us today. Edison left us many inspiring quotes that reveal his philosophy about success and innovation. His most famous quote is, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration." This means that while having good ideas is important, hard work is much more important. Another powerful quote is, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." This shows his positive attitude toward failure. He saw each mistake as a step closer to success. Edison also said, "Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work." This reminds us that real opportunities often require effort and may not look glamorous at first. These quotes teach us valuable lessons about persistence, hard work, and maintaining a positive mindset. Edison's legacy extends far beyond his individual inventions. He fundamentally changed how we approach innovation and research. Before Edison, most inventors worked alone in small workshops. Edison created the model of the modern research and development laboratory, where teams of specialists work together on complex projects. This approach is now used by every major technology company in the world. His inventions also transformed daily life. Electric lighting extended productive hours and changed social patterns. The phonograph preserved music and voices for future generations. Motion pictures created an entirely new form of entertainment and art. Edison showed us that technology should serve humanity and improve people's lives. His impact on modern civilization is immeasurable, and his methods continue to inspire innovators today. Let's practice important business and innovation vocabulary from Edison's story. I'll say each word and its definition, then use it in a sentence. Listen carefully and repeat. Patent, a legal right to be the only person who can make or sell an invention. Edison held over 1,000 patents for his inventions. Laboratory, a room or building with special equipment for scientific experiments. Edison's laboratory in Menlo Park was the world's first research facility. Innovation, the introduction of new ideas or methods. Edison's approach to innovation changed how people invent things. Entrepreneur, a person who starts and operates a business. Edison was both an inventor and a successful entrepreneur. Investment, money spent on something to make profit later. Edison needed significant investment to develop his electric power systems. Competition, the activity of trying to win something that others are also trying to win. The competition between Edison and Westinghouse drove electrical innovation forward. Now, let's practice past tense forms with Edison's biography. Notice how we use different past tenses to tell stories. Listen and repeat each sentence, paying attention to the verb forms. Edison was born in 1847. Was born, simple past passive for stating facts. He had been working on the light bulb for many years before he succeeded. Had been working, past perfect continuous for ongoing actions before another past event. While Edison was developing the phonograph, other inventors were working on similar devices. Was developing, were working, past continuous for actions happening at the same time in the past. By 1880, Edison had already established his reputation as a great inventor. Had established, past perfect, for completed actions before a specific past time. The light bulb became popular after Edison had solved the filament problem. Became, had solved, simple past and past perfect, showing sequence of events. Excellent practice. These tense patterns are essential for telling stories and describing historical events in English. Edison's influence on modern technology extends far beyond his original inventions. The research and development laboratory model he created became the foundation for innovation at companies like Bell Labs, where transistors and computer technology were developed. His systematic approach to invention directly influenced how modern tech companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft organize their research teams. Edison's focus on creating practical products that people would actually buy established the principle that successful innovation must combine technical excellence with market understanding. His electrical power distribution systems evolved into the complex electrical grids that power our digital world today. The motion picture technology he developed led directly to Hollywood, television, and eventually to digital streaming services. Even his failures contributed to progress. His work on electric cars provided knowledge that modern electric vehicle companies like Tesla build upon. Most importantly, Edison demonstrated that individual inventors could create entire industries, inspiring generations of entrepreneurs to pursue their own revolutionary ideas. Now, let's test your listening comprehension with questions about Edison's life. I'll ask questions and give you time to think before providing the answers. First question, in what year was Edison born? Think about it. The answer is 1847. Second question, what was Edison's first patent for? Think about it. The answer is an electronic vote recorder for Congress. Third question, what are Edison's 3 most famous inventions? Think about it. The answers are the phonograph, the incandescent light bulb, and the motion picture camera. Fourth question, What company grew from Edison's electric company? Think about it. The answer is General Electric. Fifth question. What did Edison call his favorite invention? Think about it. The answer is the phonograph. Final question. Complete this Edison quote. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99%. Think about it. The answer is perspiration, which means hard work. Excellent job! These comprehension exercises help you practice listening skills while reviewing important information. Now, let's practice some key English sentences about Edison's life. I'll say each sentence twice, and then you repeat it. Ready? Here we go. Edison was a brilliant inventor and businessman. Edison was a brilliant inventor and businessman. His hearing loss never stopped his curiosity and determination. His hearing loss never stopped his curiosity and determination. The phonograph was his favorite invention because it could record and play sound. The phonograph was his favorite invention because it could record and play sound. He tested thousands of materials before perfecting the light bulb filament. He tested thousands of materials before perfecting the light bulb filament. Edison's laboratory was like a factory for new inventions. Edison's laboratory was like a factory for new inventions. Let's practice some more challenging sentences. Remember to focus on pronunciation and rhythm. General Electric grew from Edison's original electric company. General Electric grew from Edison's original electric company. Persistence and hard work are more important than natural talent. Persistence and hard work are more important than natural talent. Every failure teaches us something valuable about success. Every failure teaches us something valuable about success. Innovation requires both creativity and systematic organization. Innovation requires both creativity and systematic organization. Edison's legacy continues to inspire modern inventors and entrepreneurs. Edison's legacy continues to inspire modern inventors and entrepreneurs. Excellent work! These sentences contain important vocabulary and grammar patterns for English learners. Now for our shadowing practice with motivational phrases inspired by Edison's philosophy. Listen carefully, then repeat each phrase, trying to match my rhythm and intonation. Success comes from persistent effort. Success comes from persistent effort. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Innovation requires courage and determination. Innovation requires courage and determination. Hard work beats natural talent. Hard work beats natural talent. Curiosity drives all great discoveries. Curiosity drives all great discoveries. Problems are opportunities in disguise. Problems are opportunities in disguise. Teamwork amplifies individual genius. Teamwork amplifies individual genius. Practice these phrases daily to improve your English fluency and adopt Edison's winning mindset. As we conclude today's episode, remember that Thomas Edison's greatest invention might have been his approach to invention itself. He showed us that success requires more than just good ideas. It demands systematic experimentation, persistent effort, and the ability to turn innovations into practical solutions. Edison's life teaches us that limitations can become strengths, and that the greatest achievements come from combining inspiration with perspiration. Whether you're learning English or pursuing any goal, Edison's example reminds us that with determination and hard work, ordinary people can accomplish extraordinary things. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep practicing your English and chasing your dreams.